Hi, welcome back to week 5 of our Fall Harvest Quilt Along, and we are officially halfway done. We actually only have 4 vegetables left to go, so let's get to them. All right, so this week we are going to be doing the corn and the beets, and there really isn't anything new to show you this week. We probably don't even need a video, but we're having such a fun time making them and we like to be sewing along with you that we're going to make one anyway, and we're going to go ahead and put the corn together with you. So if you've been paying close attention, you've noticed that I normally hold up a corn at this point and show you what the finished block is going to look like, but Missy pointed out that I forgot to leave one undone before we started filming. So you need to just close your eyes and envision corn at this point, and I will show you all the pieces here in a second and show it to you at the very end. But I promise this one's super easy. Both the corn and the beets are all just squares on the corners. Stitch and flip it, cut off the extras, put them together. So here we have a corn block set out. I have finished half of the corn over here, and I've actually already added the side sashing to this half. That's why it looks a little bit big and different. So what we're going to do is sew on the top here, sew on the 2 pieces here, add the side, and I'll even add the extra sashing, and then it's ready to go ahead and sew in a row. So like I said, super quick and easy and lots of fun. So we will go ahead and sew that up. And just like that, you are done with your corn and it is ready to go. So definitely relax this week. Take your time with a little bit of easier vegetables that we have put together for you, or use this extra time if you get it finished up quick and easy to catch up on the other ones that you may not have done yet. And we will see you next week. Bye.